Rolling. Roll already. Let's go. Wait, what? Why are you using your phone?
Okay.
We're in the production. Let's go.
Okay, go.
Ready?
Go.
Alright. I know. What's for lunch?
Sawadee carb. Today we're making pad thai. Oil. Tau guan. I'm gonna make sure that it gets a nice color before I do other stuff. So, on high heat. Okay, I'm just gonna brown them up first, nicely. Okay,
So Lionel, where do you learn how to make pad thai?
I learned it in a Thai restaurant when I was doing my internship.
Oh.
Yeah,
From a Thai guy?
from Thai guy. Yeah, so
Was he a nice guy?
He was a nice guy.
He's a nice Thai
So
guy.
I guess I'm pad Thai.
You are Thai 过分.
Alright, just gonna brown this up. It's gonna take a bit of time, maybe about one to 2 minutes at least.
Sure.
Add in the garlic, minced garlic. Okay. And then my Thai radish, pickled radish. You can't have pad thai without this. Okay, I'm just gonna make it. I'm just gonna stir fry it. It's fragrant.
Nice.
I wish the audience at home could smell this. It's heavenly. Alright, as this is done, I'm gonna add my eggs, 2 whole eggs.
Right.
Okay. I'm gonna throw that in on high heat still. I'm just gonna break them up. It is called egg flour.
Egg flour.
蛋花. That's what they taught me. So yeah, a bit more oil so that your egg doesn't stick. So you can see, right?
But it's a non-stick pan, it's not going to stick.
Well, just in case.
Just in case.
So as you can see, right? You can see the eggs are already forming into like very nice strands. They look like flour, like flour flakes.
Still nice and
At
juicy.
this time, I'm gonna add in my rice noodles right now here. I'm gonna stir fry it.
You soak this overnight?
Yes, I soak this for only 10 minutes.
Oh,
Never
just 10
go
minutes.
overnight, please.
Alright.
Going overnight, it will cause your noodles to be very soggy, and then you're not going to get a very nice al dente to it. So you can't cook it, because you got to add liquid later.
Chef tip.
My pad thai sauce basically is tamarind, palm sugar, and
Got some dried shrimp there.
dried shrimp, which is cut. So this is about half a cup.
Alright.
Okay, I'm just going to add it in. Always constantly stir, because you don't want your noodles to stick to the pan. Right now, at this point of time, I'm adding my oyster sauce.
Oh, why oyster sauce?
Because oyster sauce gives it color and flavor also. Flavors of the oyster sauce will actually bring out the pad thai sauce.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see, it's already changing color. Yeah.
I never put oyster sauce in my pad thai before.
Oh, this one you should try.
Alright.
This is nice. You see the nice coloration?
Right, that smells good. More umami.
Yes, umami bomb. That's the secret to Thai food. Now I'll add in my fish sauce.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna toss it a bit. Okay. The last 2 steps. Chai, bean sprouts, do not overcook them. Thai people like them slightly raw, I would say.
Ah, yeah, they like it raw.
Oh yeah. As the Italians say, al dente. So I'm just gonna flip
Fresh
it.
and crispy, not raw.
Oh yes, that's the right word actually. So I'm just gonna flip this a bit. Toss it up.
Looks like it's done, I know.
Yep. And then the plate, Italian style. What I have here is nice pad thai.
It's good. Getting hungry.
I hope you are.
หิวมากนะ
Crushed peanuts inside. Chili flakes. Peanuts. Raw, crunchy vegetables.
My favorite.
And garlic chives. Spring onions.
So many condiments.
Of
So
course.
shiok.
Sweet, salty, spicy. And top it off with lime. Voila.
That looks good, Lionel.
So simple. Subscribe to the podcast to see more of these great videos. Enjoy.
Thanks, Chef Lionel. And cut. Woo, 这里